December 22, 2024 na. Pero bakit di pa binibigay ng employer o company namin ang 13th month pay? Ito po ang isang employee's concern and issue na bigyan natin ng sagot. Please watch the full video. Ito na po. Hi friends! Ang schedule of payment talaga ng 13th month pay is not later than December 24 each year. Opo, Presidential Decree number 851 po yan. Right? So ito yung nabasa natin friends, no? About schedule of payment ng 30th month pay. Yes friends, meron talagang employer or company na matagal magbigay ng 13th month pay. Ginasagad talaga nila up to December 24. I believe 80% ang early release ng mga 13th month pay sa mga other companies. Meron pong 10% na matagal magbigay. So, in your case, ma'am or sir, kasali kayo dyan. May mga factors yan bakit matagal sila magbigay. Siguro po, wala silang capacity to pay. Or baka naghahintay pa sila ng income sa business. Actually, this is an indicator na hindi maganda ang income or financial status ng company or employer ninyo. Kasi wala silang pang 30th month pay. Last minute po sila magbigay. So, ganyan po. So, ponder on this, friends. Kung may opportunity na mag-transfer kayo ng other company, gawin nyo na po. Kasi ang company nyo right now is parang walang pakialam sa mga benefits kagaya nito na 30th month pay. Matagal pa nila ibigay sa mga employees. Kawawa naman, right? So ano ang penalties for non-compliance sa schedule of payment ng 13th month pay? Employers who fail to provide 13th month pay by the deadline may face administrative penalties and even the suspension or cancellation of business permits. Employees may also file complaints with the DOLE or seek legal action through the National Labor Relations Commission. Ayan po. It's either DOLE or NLRC kayo magpunta. If mag-complain kayo, ma'am or sir, na hindi kayo nabigyan ng 30th month pay sa tamang schedule. So halimbawa, December 25 sila nagbigay, 26, 27, lampas na po yan sa deadline na December 24 or before, right? So yan lang po. So thank you for watching this video, friends. Keep watching my YouTube channel. Lahat ng mga employees concern and issue, sasagutin natin yan sa channel natin. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.